Hello. To continue on with this gypsy setting, I'm going to be bright cutting with my favorite Onglet number 2 right-sided graver. I'm going to cut the inside of the opening where the stone is set. And you'll notice that I'm doing two things at once. I'm cutting forward, and I'm also cutting in a circle towards the left, because I'm right-handed, and I'm also turning the ring around. I'm doing it in small little increments. So whatever is being covered by the metal over the stone is going to be cut back a shade and give more exposure to the stone. I'm going to examine it with my loupe, my trusty 10 power loupe. I'm satisfied with what I see. There's still metal over the stone. Now I'm going to take the ring out. I'm going to put in my flat-faced pumice wheel and start the cleanup process. I have to turn on the motor first. And all this black magic marker is being removed. How far close do I get to the stone? Not really touching the stone, but right at the very, very edge. I prefer to hold the ring in my fingers. Why? I can adjust this positioning a lot easier than if it was sitting in a ring clamp. You'll notice that the sound of the motor is not there. It's not really going too fast. I don't know the RPM, but it's not very fast at all. The edge of the wheel is right against the edge of the metal, but not touching the stone. I'm now going to try and bring back the dome shape effect of the ring. I'm going to now switch to a pink wheel, which is the 1000 grit, because I was using 180 grit. And what I can see is a very shiny surface. I'm very pleased with the results of the setting. So the difficulty scale out of a 10, I'd put gypsy or flush setting about 5. The results are very, very nice. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Remember, do not hammer too much to get the stone tight. And if you make the bearing too far into the metal, you'll never get that stone tight, not by any stretch. This is very critical. I'm making sure that the edge of the wheel does not touch the stone. You can even use this method with a pumice wheel setting a genuine emerald. But remember, my dear friends, do not over drill the bearing cut on the inside of the gypsy hole. If you do, the stone will never ever get tight. Don't know if you can see it all, but it's nicely cleaned up. Now I got 12 more holes to do in this ring. I'm very satisfied with that. Takes a lot of practice. If I can teach my students in one day from start to finish to make a beautiful job, I've achieved something and they've learned something, and it's built in confidence. I prefer to use silver as my main alloy. Do not use brass the first time setting a stone.